This is Mathematics Paper 1, 2019 GCE. The first question says, simplify 4 minus 2 open brackets b minus a close minus 1. So let's start solving. So this is the question. So there is 4. So you say 4 minus 2 times b. What do you get? 2 times b, you get 2b. Next step, negative times negative. What do you get? Negative times negative, you get a positive. 2 times a. 2 times a, it's what? 2a. Minus what? 1. The next step, you group the like terms. So you say 4, you check. This one, it's negative 1. It will come the way it is. It won't change. Why? Because there is no equal sign. It only changes if there is equal sign. So it will come, it will be negative 1 minus 2b plus 2a, like that. The next step, you say 4 take away 1, you remain with what? 3 minus 2b plus 2a. You end here because these they are unlike terms. This is 2b, this is 2a. This is just a number, there is no any letter. So this is how you simplify. We are now on number 2, which is evaluate. Open brackets, 4 square root 81 close to the power 3. So this is the question. It is saying evaluate. Open brackets, 4 square root 81 close to the power 3. So here what it means, this, it's telling you look for a number. When you multiply that same number 4 times, you should be able to get 81. So you look for a number that when you multiply it 4 times, you are able to get what? 81. So that number, it's what? It's 3. So if you multiply 3 4 times, you say 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, you get what? 81. So the number, it's what? 3. And there is a power here. You put it there like that. Now 3 to the power 3, it means 3 times 3 times 3. What do you get? 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. That's how you answer this question. We are now on question 3, which is saying factorize completely 32x squared minus 50. So the question, it says factorize completely 32x squared minus 50. So you have to look for a number which can go in both in 32 and 50. And that number, it's 2. So you say 2 open brackets. How many times can 2 go into 32? It goes 16 times. 16x squared minus. How many times can 2 go into 50? It goes 25 times. You close. Now, here, these numbers which are inside, they are under different of 2 squares. So once you see that this, it has got a square root, and also this one has got a square root, and the letters, it is squared. So it means different of 2 squares can fit. So you say 2 open. What's the square root of 16? It's 4. So you say 4x minus. What's the square root of 25? It's 5. You write it like that. You open again the same 4 plus what? 5. This is where you end because there is no number which can go there. Thank you. We are now on number 4, and number 4 says, find the gradient of a line which passes through -5, 3 and -4, 1. Find the gradient of a line which passes through -5, 3 and -4, 1. So these are the points given in the question. Then you are told to find the gradient. So the first thing you say, you name this one as x1. This one as y1. This one as x what? 2. This one y2. After you have done this, you write the formula for gradient. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You check from your equation. You check. What is my y2? My y2 is what? What is my y2? It's 1. You say 1 minus. What is my y1? My y1 is what? 3. You write it like that. Next, what is my x2? My x2 is negative what? 4. You write it like that. Minus. What is my x1? What is my x1? My x1 is -5. You write it like that. Next thing, you say m is equal to 1 minus 3. It's -2 over -4. Negative times negative, what do you get? You get a positive. The next thing you say m is equal to -2 over -4 plus 5. What do you get? You get +1. How many times can 1 go into -2? It goes -2. 1 into -2, it goes 2 times, which is -2. Thank you.